We have all seen this scene from the Interstellar movie where Cooper falls into the black hole Gargantua in his ship and weird things happen inside the black hole. But is it really possible? To answer that, first we need to take a look at what a black hole really is. Black holes are the most mysterious cosmic objects, much studied but not fully understood. These objects are not really holes. They are huge concentrations of matter packed into very tiny spaces.
A black hole is so dense that gravity just beneath its surface is strong enough that nothing, not even light, can escape. The event horizon isn't a surface like Earth or even the Sun's. It's a boundary that contains all the matter that makes up the black hole. Okay, so let's simplify it. Imagine you are standing on Earth. It's a very nice day. You jump up and come down again. Now imagine you are standing on the Sun. It is hot. The Sun has a lot of mass. You will need a very big rocket to reach the speed at which you will not fall back into it. This is your escape velocity. Now take that whole massive star and compact it down to a small size. Imagine the size of your house. Now you are in trouble. You can't get away from that house because it is both massive and tiny. All that mass so close together is impossible to get away from at any speed. Your rocket will never be able to escape. In fact, you would have to be going faster than the speed of light, which is not possible. That's what a black hole really is.
Now let's try to find out what will happen if you fell into one. If a person fell into a black hole, there are several possible outcomes. The first is spaghettification. If a person gets closer to a black hole, the gravitational forces become stronger and can stretch them out into a long, thin shape. This is what we call spaghettification. And it's obvious, the person will be dead after this. Now let's assume spaghettification does not happen. Then the next thing the person will encounter is the event horizon of the black hole. An event horizon isn't actually a physical thing. There's nothing there. No magical barrier, no portal to another universe. It's the distance from a black hole at which its escape velocity is equal to the speed of light. Anything at that distance or closer cannot escape and falls inward, even light. Once the person crosses the event horizon of the black hole, they would be unable to escape and would be pulled towards the singularity at the center. From an outside observer's perspective, the person falling into a black hole would appear to slow down and eventually stop as they approach the event horizon. The person would eventually reach the singularity at the center of the black hole, where the gravitational forces become infinitely strong. At this point, current physics break down and it is not clear what would happen to the person. Overall, falling into a black hole is considered a one-way journey with potentially catastrophic consequences due to the extreme gravitational forces involved.
Now let's step further and discuss the existence of white holes. As we see Cooper exiting from the black hole in Interstellar movie. White holes are actually the reverse of black holes. It is the region in space-time where matter cannot enter it from the inside, but matter particles and light exit from it. So it's basically the exit point of black holes. But white holes cannot exist in our current understanding of the universe. White holes are actually solution of equation that pop out when we consider no input in black holes. White holes could actually be the Big Bang. In a black hole, the singularity is always in the future. Since white holes are opposite of black holes, so the singularity of a white hole is always in the past. It may sound fuzzy, but applying this principle, we can conclude that our universe itself in an aftermath of a black hole. Now, why do we care about black holes so much? Black holes are fascinating to scientists and the general public for several reasons. So the first reason is their mysterious nature. Black holes are some of the most enigmatic objects in the universe. Their extreme gravitational pull is so strong that not even the light can escape from them, making them invisible and mysterious. And the second reason is cosmic phenomena. Black holes are linked to the several cosmic phenomena such as the formation of galaxies, the evolution of stars, and the bending of space and time. Understanding black holes can provide insight into these processes. And the third one is technological advancement. Research on black hole often drive technological advancement in areas such as astronomy, imaging techniques, and data analysis. Studying black hole challenges us to develop new tools and methods for observing and understanding these mysterious objects. Overall, black holes captivate our imagination and curiosity, offering a glimpse into the extreme and awe-inspiring nature of the universe.